Dear customer, Rich Hardware is a one-stop hardware supplier with 20 years of factory production experience and 10 years of online service in Alibaba. We have realized the one-stop OEM and ODM services from project design, mold making, modular sorting, production line, packaging, and quality inspection to door delivery. To provide satisfactory and services for customers in 20 countries around the world, we have registered our own trademark in China, United States, Australia, and some major marketing countries, and achieved global branding, which received a lot of praise, trust, and continuous cooperation from old and new customers. We are specialized in the production and sales of garden series projects, that including garden aging, garden bed, wheel tensioner, and other garden accessories, very good management system, and ISO quality system certification that ensure product quality and after-sales service. Welcome to visit our factory for business. Our excellent sales team responds quickly to provide you professional service.